So back to some cooking. Threw this video together quite hurriedly, as you will see, but I wanted to give a shout out to two different channels I've been watching lately. Just Cook the Damn Food and Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. Poor Guy recently did a review of the new Doritos flavors, and it gave me an idea. So I wanted to issue a friendly challenge to y'all and see if we can come up with some good recipes using these new Doritos. Now, I'm not very creative, and to start things off, the best I could come up with was Doritos Smash Burgers. So all I added was some crushed Doritos to my ground beef, and they were pretty tasty. My challenge to y'all is to come up with a recipe using the new Doritos flavors in whatever kind of dish, using whatever kind of cooking style you want, but let's attempt to keep it simple, reasonably simple, and then we can all make videos making each other's recipes and do our own ratings of each and anything else y'all want to add to this. I hope to hear back from you. Another shout out to a Poor Guy on his smash burger tacos. I wanted to show him something I came up with, so we'll get to the video.
I see epic fail written all over this.
It'll be fine.
It'll be fine, all right?
It looks good and smells good.
Yeah, it smells good. So here's kind of what I was getting at. So with the grease, it's kind of building up in the taco. So it looks like it's going to be a greasy mess. So maybe a leaner beef would be better for these, you know. But first time for it. Again, the way we do things is we try it. Most of our cooks are first time for us.